Once you log in SAP HANA Studio, you need to click on this option, Open Perspective. Once you click on Open Perspective, you need to click on SAP HANA Modeler. Once click on SAP HANA Modeler, you can go to this option, System, Log on. For me, I already added. If you want to add, just click on here, this option, Add System, and you can give the details. While you are taking remote server, they will give all the details in the notepad. So there you will search for host name, instant, system name. You can add the system. Once you add the system, you can see this project. Okay, we can see catalog and content. Yesterday I was facing issue. I spoken with the team who were provided server. They told that, okay, so whatever we create the tables under our schema, we have access. Okay. So somebody created schema and that it is not providing access to you. For example, some other guy created schema and they have many tables. So to access these tables by using this my ID, I don't have access. So in the real time, you will get the access by using authorization. Okay. So I have created many tables. If you want to add, just click on here, this option, add system, and you can give the details. While you are taking remote server, they will give all the details in the notepad. So there you will search for host name instant. Example, I have a material. So we have a material table. So in the Excel, I taken few information. Like I want to show you giants, how to works. So client and material and created and when it was created material and what type of material type and material group. This information in the second sheet I maintain this one. So I want to know what is the SM0001 material. You can see here you will get it SM0001 service material 01. So material description I have taken medium and long. From where I have taken, I logged into SAP system. I logged into SAP login system. For you also, you can also download it data, okay? Or else you can copy, paste from the SAP tables. Go to S11 or SC16. I entered Mara table. Just go to contents. Okay, I entered execute. So now you can see these are the materials. Same materials what I did, created, and I dragged the material type and material group here. Now I just downloaded like this. I downloaded. Or else you can copy paste into your Excel. Just copy and paste into your Excel sheet like this. And from Mara MAKT table also I did same. Okay. So after pasting your Excel, you can see like this data. Okay, you know, right, how to load the data into Excel, SAP HANA Studio. Just to go to File and click on Import and click on Data from Local File and click on System. Once you click on System, select your file. What is my file? Mara table. Click OK. Let me close this file. Okay. Now select this header rows to be ignored. I already select. So for you, you need to select new schema, new table. And if already schema is available and table is available, I'm just selecting here. Okay. Select table. And what is my table? Already created a Mara table. So I'm selecting it. Now you can see like this. Okay. Once you click on this menu mapping, one-to-one mapping. See like this one-to-one mapping. Okay. So now just to what you do, just to load it. Next, click on next, and it will be looks like and finish it. So I already loaded it, so I don't want to load it. Okay. Now after loading it, so now you can see MEKT and MAT. So in the same way I did same exercise. We have a two sheets right in Excel. That is from one tab and this is sheet 2. So I created two. Now I just wanted to show you data as well. You can see the double click. Okay, this is a column store table. Okay, now if you want to see the data, you can see it. Open content. See, this is the open content. You can see it. Okay. Now, and for Mara MAKT also, we'll see open content. Now you can, this is the data. Okay. So let me create one join-based review. Okay. Content. So I already created. Let me delete and create it. Material master data. Select the dimension. Because it is a master data, I'm selecting dimension. If it is a transaction data, you can select view. So when you select dimension, we don't have any key figures. By default, projection node will come. What is the use of projection node? What is the use of this projection node? So by using this projection node, we can select required columns. So how you will select? We will, okay. So I will drag and drop, I'll drag and drop join. I'll drag and drop join. I will drag and drop projection node. I'll drag and drop projection node. Okay. Now you can select, okay, Mara table. So these tables we created by using flat file. So we have a authorization. Once it is start, then it is such. See, now it is searching. It will take time, but in real time it will come immediately because they will have RAM 12 TB, 10 TB, like that. So our package is morning. Okay, our schema is morning. So I'm selecting this one. Okay, now see now the projection will select based on our requirement. Will select. Okay, I require this field. I require this field. I require this field. I require this field. By using projection node, by using projection node, we can select the required business columns based upon our requirement. So MAKT table will have a material description. So that is the reason we are trying to get description. So Mara table having only material details. When it was metal created, what is the metal group, what is the material type, is it semi-finished good or finished good or raw material, like that information will have, but we don't get description. Description we get from MAKT table. Okay. So wherever you go and join any company, scenario is same. Okay. Mara table will have material, MAKT table will have descriptions. So now you can select this option and you can, okay, select based on our requirement. Okay, I required medium and long description for the material. So for join, what is the use of join? So if you want to change the projection name, yes, okay, I will give Mara. Let me get it. If you want to change the projection nodes, so once you click on here, once you add the connection to joins, now you can see Mara MAKT table, Mara MAKT. So see here, we did not define any joins. That is the way it is in white color. White color, okay? Okay, now I'll select this option. I don't require client. Oh, I'll select material. I'll select material, material type, metal group. Now, so what is the issue? Mara table showing material type, material group and all. MAKT table also showing same thing. Okay. Okay, fine. Okay. Now select this one, select this one, select this one. See, we have a two tables and we have a Mara and MAKT table. Common field is material and client. So this is I'm keeping it. Okay. See, here we have a giant types. Here we have a giant types. How many types of giants you can see in the SAP HANA? Inner giant, left outer giant, right outer giant, full outer giant. So when I click on inner giant, when I click on inner giant, so go to here. So for this, I will keep like no rename. Space is not allowing. Okay, fine. Okay. From two tables, we are selecting it. Okay. Here we'll go. Paid. Mhm. Drag and drop giant. I will drag and drop giant. I will drag and drop projection one. I will drag and drop projection one. Okay. Now you can select okay on a table. So these tables we created by using flat file. So we have a authorization. Once it is start, then it is such. See now it is searching. It will take time, but in real time it will come immediately because they will have RAM 12 TB, 10 TB like that. So our so grant select select on grant select on schema. What is our schema? Our schema is this one. Our schema is this one. Drag and drop schema and to what is the required schema? Schema with the grant option. With the grant option. With the grant option. Once you click on this, so after this, it will allow to activate the calculation view. Select this one. So is it allowing? Yesterday it was not clear. Okay, fine. Okay. Now you can see here, right click and data preview. Once it, okay, here also not allowed. Mhm. Yesterday I already created. It is provided permission as well. What is our schema? Chill. Okay. Okay. See, same, I don't know, sometimes it is behaving like no. So here you can see session client and apply privileges blank. And this new one as well. Okay. This is okay. This whatever we created, that also same. Sometimes it is behaving different. So session client, you can see session client and apply privileges. Apply privileges. So for this, it will have a authorization. For this, it will have authorization. So now you can see it is asking, okay, you can see here, go to table, raw data. You can see raw data. For both tables, the matching records will come. So here you can see, you can go here, joins. So what type of join we mention? So referential join. So referential join means what it is? So the interview level, they will ask you, okay, when we have interview on SAP HANA, they will ask you joins. The join, the joins. What kind of join we have in a join? In a join. Left outer join, right outer join, right outer join, full outer join, text join, referential join, and temporal join. Temporal join. So temporal will work based on the date from Monday to, okay, based on the date from Monday to temporal. For example, we have a material, plant master data. In the plant master data, we have a from month to address will change every 1 year or 2 years. They are moving the plant from one place to another place. That time we can go for temporal giant. Okay, the referential giant, we it will behave like same inner giant. It will behave like same inner giant. So inner giant, how it will work in inner giant? We have a table Mada and we have a table MAKT. So what is the common field in both MATNA? MATNA means material number. Whenever the material is matching from both table, then those records only will bring it. If the material is not matching from any table, it will not bring. So that is what we are seeing it. ఈ టేబుల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి మన చూడండి ఎంఆర్ టేబుల్ ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి ఇలా కెన్ గో టు రా యూ కెన్ సీ దీస్ మెటీరియల్స్ సో గ్రాంట్ select select on grant select on schema. What is our schema? Our schema is this one. Our schema is this one. Drag and drop schema and to what is the required schema? Schema with the grant option. With the grant option. With the grant option. Once you click on this, so after this, it will allow to activate the calculation view. Select this one. So is it allowing? సో ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా మనం అదే తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి అన్ని రికార్డులే తీసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి ఉన్నాయి. సో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి 10 రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నాయి. సేమ్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇక్కడ కూడా ఎంఏకేటి టేబుల్ ఇది నెక్స్ట్ వన్. ఓకే ఎంఏకేటి ప్రొజెక్షనల్ డేటా టేబుల్. సో ఈ సినారియోలో మీకు అర్థమవుదు, ఎందుకంటే రెండు ఈక్వల్గా ఉన్నాయి మెటీరియల్స్. రెండు టేబుల్స్ 10 రికార్డ్స్ మాత్రమే తీసుకున్నాయి కాబట్టి నీకు అర్థం అవ్వదు. సో నేను ఇంకో సినారియో ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. Okay, and what is the table? Yeah, this one. Okay, here you can see the first table we have a this data. You can see this is the data. First table will have a this data. Okay, so you can see student and fruit. So Sham will like mango, Jan will like banana, David will like orange, and Maria like apples. And what about other table? Vegetables. You can see data preview. Go to raw data. So you can see it. So we have a student and vegetable. So for both tables, you have a common field student. Common field student. Now you can see Sham, Jan, David, Maria. So this record is changed it. Let me open this table. Now you can see this is the data I loaded and I kept in same way. Okay. I kept nearly here to for understand better understanding. Okay. The first table is fruit table. Okay, student is the primary key. And here also, this is vegetable table, student is the primary key. What is the difference? Here we don't have record into the, okay, this record we don't have it. Okay, John, David, Shyam. Oh, Maria is there, but John is not there. Okay, remember it. Just remember it. So when you do the left outer Jan, inner Jan, what will happen? Inner Jan. So inner Jan, what it will do, how it will works. We have a table A and B. Okay, this is table A, fruit. Okay, this table like this. Take this brush, okay, and you can take, sorry, what is the error? No, not this one. Let me new. Okay, we have a two tables, and I'm trying to do it in a line. See here, this is the table, A table. Okay, fruit is A table. Here, vegetable table is B. From both tables, common is this one. So inner join means this one. Whatever we have a common rate. Both tables have a common field is student. Here you can see student. Common field is student. Both are primary keys. And you can see Sham is there and David is there and Maria is there. So only difference is Jain. So this records will not come. This record will not come. Now inner Jain means we'll get only three records. We'll get only three records. ఎలా అంటే okay, now it will take this one, so this one, and it will take this one, and it will take this one, and Jan point Jan. Okay, like this will come. We'll see now how it will work. నేను రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ యూజ్ చేశాను. రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ అండ్ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ బోత్ ఆర్ సేమ్. కెన్ సి డేటా ప్రివ్యూ. ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఏమొచ్చింది. ఈ ఎక్సెల్లో ఏముందో పక్కన పెట్టుకుంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది. మనం తీసుకునే త్రీ ఫీల్డ్స్ కాబట్టి ఓకే, ఇక్కడ కూడా ఇవి కూడా రావాలి. శ్యాము, డేవిడ్, మారి. ఓకే, దిస్ ఫీల్డ్స్ ఆల్సో షుడ్ కమ్. ఎందుకంటే అవర్ స్ట్రక్చర్ is స్టూడెంట్, ఫ్రూట్ అండ్ వెజిటేబుల్స్. సో ఫస్ట్ టేబుల్ we have student and fruit, second table student and vegetable. So we are combining both tables data. You can see it like this. For the inner join or referential join, we'll get this option. So now we are checking in the system level. This is referential join. See, now you can see referential join. Let me do it. Okay, let me do it. ఇన్నర్ లైన్ అండ్ యాక్టివేట్ ఇట్. సో ఇక్కడ మారిపోతుంది చూడు, ఇక్కడ సింబల్ ఏం లేదు ఇప్పుడు. వన్స్ యూ యాక్టివేట్, ఓకే, ఈ దీనికి ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, సేమ్ స్ట్రక్చరే. కొన్నిసార్లు వర్క్ అవుతుంది, కొన్నిసార్లు వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. ఓకే, సో నౌ యూ కెన్ సి ది సింబల్ ఎనేబుల్ అయింది. ఎందుకు? బికాస్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఇన్నర్ లైన్. సి కర్సర్ ఇక్కడ పెట్టగానే వస్తుంది, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ కమింగ్ ఇన్నర్ లైన్. సో నౌ రైట్ క్లిక్ అండ్ డేటా ప్రివ్యూ and go to raw data. Directly you can get it. Okay. Or else you can click on here also, same data preview. Same thing will come. Same results will come. ఇక్కడ ఏముందో అదే వస్తుంది.
ఒకవేళ సేమ్
సరే,
అన్నా ఇప్పుడు స్టూడెంట్ కి ఫ్రూట్ డిఫరెంట్ ఉంది కదా, ఒకవేళ సేమ్ ఫ్రూట్ అయితే
సేమ్ ఫ్రూట్ అయినప్పుడే వస్తుంది. సేమ్ ఫ్రూట్ అయినప్పుడే వచ్చేది. ఇది ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అంటేనే రెండిట్లో కామన్గా ఉండేది వస్తుంది. సో రెండిట్లో కామన్గా ఉండేది ఏంటి? స్టూడెంట్. రెండిట్లో కామన్గా ఉండేది
ఓకే
స్టూడెంట్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ శ్యామ్ ఉన్నాడు, ఇక్కడ శ్యామ్ ఉంది, ఇక్కడ డేవిడ్ ఉన్నాడు, ఇక్కడ డేవిడ్ ఉన్నాడు, ఇక్కడ మ్యారియా ఉంది, ఇక్కడ మ్యారియా ఉంది. సో దట్ ఈస్ ద వే ఇట్ ఈస్ బ్రింగింగ్ ఓన్లీ త్రీ రికార్డ్స్. మన కామన్ ఫీల్డ్ ఏంటి? స్టూడెంట్. సో నేను తక్కువ డేటా ఎందుకు తీసుకున్నా అంటే మీకు అర్థం కావడానికి. సో రియల్ టైంలో ఇట్లే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. అర్థమైందా? సో ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఏం చేస్తున్నాను, ఇది సపరేట్ టేబుల్, ఇది సపరేట్ టేబుల్. ఓకే, ఒక టేబుల్ నుంచి ఏమో స్టూడెంట్ తీసుకున్నాను, ఇంకో టేబుల్ నుంచి ఫ్రూట్ అని తీసుకున్నాను. సో ఇంకో టేబుల్ నుంచి కూడా స్టూడెంట్ ఉంది, ఆల్రెడీ స్టూడెంట్ ఉంది కదా, నేను తీసుకోను. ఇప్పుడు ఏం తీసుకుంటాం? వెజిటేబుల్స్ అని తీసుకుంటాం. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు 3 కాలమ్స్ వచ్చాయి. ఈ 3 కాలమ్స్లో డేటా ఇలా ఫిల్ అవుతుంది. సో ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అయినా సరే, రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ అయినా ఇలాగే వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే, రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ అయినా. బట్ రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది రియల్ టైంలో? ట్రాన్సాక్షన్ డేటా ఏవైతే ఉందో వాటికి మాత్రమే మాస్టర్ అయితే తీసుకొస్తుంది. ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్ అట్లేం కాదు, జస్ట్ 2 టేబుల్ చెక్ చేసుకుంటుంది, మ్యాచింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఇట్ విల్ బ్రింగ్ ఇట్. ఓకేనా? సో ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ బెటర్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ రెఫరెన్షియల్ జాయిన్ ఇన్ ద రియల్ టైమ్. ఓకే, ఓకే, దిస్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్నర్ జాయిన్. ఫైన్, విల్ సీ లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ యాజ్ వెల్. ఓకే, లెఫ్ట్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్ ఎలా చేస్తారు? Here only we'll change it. Okay, here we have a option, right? Change this option. Left outer join button and activate it. See, now it is activated. Okay, now see that symbol is changed it now. You can see when I put the cursor on this left outer join, it came left outer join. So what is meaning left outer join? So we'll see practically here. So left table completely తీసుకుంటుంది data. So right side it will take only match records. Right side table. So what is the left table? This is completely left table. So it will take complete data. Left side it will take complete data. Right side only matching records will come. So matching records ఉన్నాయి శ్యామ్, జాన్ లేదు, శ్యామ్. సో దిస్ వన్ ఏవైతే ఉందో అవి తీసుకొని వస్తుంది. ఓకే, శ్యామ్, జాన్ లేదు, డేవిడ్ అండ్ మ్యారియా. ఓకే, అండ్ లియా తీసుకురాదు ఇంకా, ఎందుకంటే లెఫ్ట్ టేబుల్లో అన్ని రికార్డ్స్ తీసుకొని వస్తుంది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏముంటుంది? క్వశ్చన్ మార్క్ ఉంటుంది, బ్లాంక్ అది ఇలా ఉంటుంది. సో 4 రికార్డ్స్ తీసుకొని